That's rice flour. She's putting it in there. Okay. She's making the dough. She's mixing the water in there. She's going to make the bread. This is the Indian tribal bread she's making it. If I would say bread, then people will think that's not bread, that's a flat bread, but this is the Indian tribal bread, how they make, and they eat with curry. And sometimes they do cook chicken, and they make the gravy chicken and they eat this bread with the gravy chicken. She's making it very liquidy so she can pour it in a fry pan. She did put the fry pan on stove. We made it, this is the tribal stove. They made it with the sand and haze and all those things. They mix it and they make it. So now she's going to pour the bread mix in a frying pan. Now she's applying the watery dough so that she made it rice flour dough to make the flat bread. This is the tribal food they make. They eat with the curry. They make vegetable curry with like eggs, eggplants, tomato and potato mixed curry. They make it. They make the gravy curry and they eat it with that, and this is very yummy. I has been eating this from past many years. I would say about 20-25 years, because I grew up in India. So we did eat this here. Now she's trying to flip that flat bread over, and this is very healthy bread. There is no cholesterol or nothing. I would say there will be a starch because it's a rice flour. There, you see that she flipped it. It's looking so yummy. And this flat bread you can eat with chicken and anything you can eat with this thing, as long as it's the gravy, that curry that made with gravy, you can eat this bread. And this is the very healthy one.